Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and welcome to my channel. Or welcome back if you've been here before. Well, makeup is a passion, and so is fashion. Today's haul is a look at my birthday presents, and so far it's been mostly Marc Jacobs the tote bags, and this is one of them. The drop between him and what is it? Futura, Futura. And this is one of the bags. I got the medium. It's a gift from my son to me for my birthday. And my birthday isn't until October. So when October comes around, I have a lot more birthday gifts that's going to be, that you'll see in October that I'm not going to show, for this month. It'll be shown in October for my birthday. So I have 3 other bags here today that's for my birthday gift. And this is one of them. And I wanted this. So he got it for his mom for her birthday. And this is what it looks like. And this is the medium. Isn't that cute? I got it the same day that it came out. I ordered it online. I did not want to miss out, but it doesn't seem to be selling out. I mean, everything else is selling out except for the bags. Maybe they got a lot of them. But this is how it looks. Now, I'm going to say, the only thing I don't like is this here. I think this could have been done better than this because it's hard to see. Like right now, you see it because of the camera. Because I'm up close and I got a lot of light on it. But if I take the light off of it, let's see. As you see, as I get further and further away, it's hard to see. And that's in person too, especially if it's dark. If you come closer up on it, you can make it out barely. So I don't like that part. But this is how it looks. And this is the side of it. I don't like this part either. Look like it's been rubbed to death. Like it's used. Now, being honest with you, when I ordered this, I thought it was Future. I didn't see the A until after I ordered it. I thought it was Future the rapper. I was like, I gotta get this. Future the rapper is doing a collaboration with Marc Jacobs. It wasn't until after I ordered it and something said, girl, go look at what you just ordered. And I went back and I said, wait, did I say Futura? Futura? Who is that? So I had to do some research on him to know who he was. He's a graffiti artist. I'd never heard of him until that day that I ordered this bag. And this is tells you a lot about him here, who he is and when he got started. And he got started in the 1980s with freaky arts in New York City. Okay, he's been around for some years. He's a graffiti artist. Okay, and this is the tag, and this was $325 the bag was. With tax it came out to $351. So that's what I paid for it, $351. Well, that's what my son paid for it, $351. This is the back of the bag. And this is the other side. And this is the bottom. And let's look at the inside. Okay. So the inside looks. Let me get some light on in here. As you can see, there's a tag there. And it's Marc Jacobs with Futura. Whatever his name is. This also comes with a dust bag. Let me show you guys. So here's the dust bag that comes with it. Big old dust bag. Okay. So as I said, there's the plate, the name tag in it. As you see, there's a pocket here, a pocket there. Nothing here but the cardboard. That's the inside of it. Okay, so that's how that one looks. So, the next bag is this one. And this is a clear bag, and I've been wanting this one for a while. And I got receipts for every last one of these. Let's see here. That's 2. So I got receipts for every last one of them. Because I ordered them from Marc Jacobs' website itself. So that's the receipts for every last one of them. So I got 4 bags, like I said, today. And this is what it looks like. From the side. It's the price tag again. And this bag was $275. I think I paid $325 with tax. Because here in Texas we pay 8.25% in tax, which is really low. Here's the plate name. Here's the plate tag behind. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. Here's the inside. Does this one come with a dust? Yeah, it comes with a dust bag. Here's the dust bag for it. And this is how it looks in the inside. Oh, okay. Got a strap. Did not realize that. Oh, I think the other one comes with a strap too. The collaboration with Futura. Let me see. This is not coming out. There we go. I just leave the cardboard in there. It's not important. Take it out. Alright, and this is how it looks in the inside. The inside pockets. And the nameplate is right there. Let me see if I can get to it. Yeah, the nameplate is right there. Marc Jacobs. Let's see. Pockets. Alright. This has been more hassle than what I thought it was going to be. This bag is giving me more trouble. Alright, so let's look at the strap. Here's the strap. They packaged this baby up real tight. Alright, I'm not going to go through all this. It's just too much. But this is the strap that comes with it. This is what it looks like. So I'll put it back in there. And that's how the bag looks. The tote bag, Marc Jacobs. This is a large. I didn't get a medium in that one. Okay. Now for the next one. And here's the next bag. This is the Duffel, the small one. Not the small. This is the medium-sized one, not the large one, but the medium-sized one. And this one went for $395. And this is how it looks on the outside. Handle here, zipper. Okay. Side of it. Next side. The back of it with the plate. Would you call it a creed plate? Or is it just what you would call it, like a statement plate? I don't know. Okay. Alright, this is a tough one coming out. Comes with a strap. Okay, next time I do this, I'm gonna make sure I take all the straps and stuff out, so I don't have to go through this crap. Okay, it's coming out. It's like almost giving birth. Alright, here's the strap to it. Did this one come with a dust bag? I guess this is a care packet, a care card. Okay, yeah. It comes with a dust bag right here. Okay. And this is the inside. Let's see if I can get all this stuff out. I'm not gonna even try. It is too much. But this is the inside of it. Maybe I can get it out like this. Not so hard. Why do you have to overstuff it? It make no sense. Some of the stuff looks like it's glued in there. Like it's concrete. Yeah, it looks like it's glued in there. Let me see if I can do it with this hand. Alright, this is gonna be rough and tough. So I'm having to do it with both hands. Alright, I got it. Finally got it out. This is what it looks like in the inside. So there is a plate in there. As you can see, it says Marc Jacobs. Yes, that's Marc Jacobs. That's how it looks there. Let's see if there's any pockets in here. No, there's no pockets. I don't see any pockets. No pockets. Alright, so this is how this one looks. strapping on. This is how it looks. The duffel bag. Right. Time to move on to the second one. Don't mean the last one. And this one is my favorite of them all. And this is denim. I got two denim ones. The one with collaboration and this one. And this is how it looks. So, this is the front or back. This is the side. This is the other side. Let's see if I can snatch that off. Yeah, that was kind of hard. This is the tag. And how much was it? This was $3.25. With tax, it came out to $3.51. This is the back of it. The plate. This is the other side. This is the bottom. The handles. And this was bought directly from the site itself. Okay. Now let's get the stuffing out of this. Alright, it does come with a dust bag. I'm not gonna take it, undo it. It's there. Comes with a stop. Comes with a strap. Okay, this is the strap to it. This is the inside. This is the plate. It's Marc Jacobs. And these are pockets. Pocket here. Pocket over here also. There's only two pockets in it. And this is how the bag looks. So, we have this bag. Great, great, great. This bag, the smallest one in the group. The collaboration. And this one. And that is all four that I got for my birthday. Well, we put let the collaboration do the talking instead of the clear white one. And this is all four. So, with that, depending on when you're watching this, you have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night, and God bless.